guys, welcome back to our channel Motor Beast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. So friends, this is a S-Cross of all new facelift of BS6. Let's go to test drive, and this is automatic vehicle 1.5 liter petrol engine. There will be no diesel engine on offer. So now I'm in the drive mode. So performance is very nice at 1.5 liter engine. This is so exactly at 1468 cc engine we can say, and 103 bhp of power at 6000 rpm and 138 newton meters of torque at 4400 rpm as S-Cross said, I mean Nexa said. So very refined engine and powerful engine, 1468 cc. This is automatic at 4-speed gearbox, and you will get manual in 5-speed manual transmission. So transmission sound is very smooth, and this is very powerful engine we can say, and turning radius is 5.5 meters, and some cabin sounds of engine, so giving a higher throttle, some rpm sound is coming, so nothing much difference of that. And brakes are too good, solid brake disc brakes as said by the Nexa is performing good, and both as a front as a disc and rear as a drums. So harder on throttle is very nice, and this is a two-wheel drive, and we have a mode of two-wheel drive on this automatic transmission. So especially we should talk about the mileage of the vehicle, because of Suzuki vehicles give a better mileage than all the comparison of cars, and the S-Cross is giving around 18 kilometers in city rates, and around highways also 20 kilometers per liter we can expectations. And the fuel capacity of this vehicle is 48 liters of fuel capacity, massive enough. As we done as a full tank of this fuel, it gives around 700 kilometers non-stop, and brakes are too good performing, and suspension is also very smoother side, and it's a family vehicle we can say. So very refined engine, (4,000 rpm at gear shifting up, and because this is a 4-speed manual automatic transmission, the gear shifting is some lacking of 4 gears. And so now I am in the drive mode, so let's check in the two-wheel drive mode and see the performance of the vehicle. So now I'm in the two-wheel drive mode. No wheel spin offer because of this is not a front wheel drive, this is a two-wheel drive, and two-wheel drive performance is very nice and powerful we can say in this mode, and steering feedback is very nice. So feel and feedback is very nice of the steering feel, and we get in automatic vehicle also in a cruise control option we get. And upshifting of gears in a two-wheel drive is some lacking more than a drive mode, so drive mode is better. This two-wheel drive we should be done in off-road. It's not an off-road vehicle, but it gives a mode of 3 modes in this vehicle, and drive mode is better performance than all the modes. So suspension is very nice, I impressed very lot on the suspension, and comfort levels are very nice on S-Cross. So as we know that comparison from the older generation, this is very successful running vehicle of S-Cross from the Nexa. horn is large enough, and very silent cabin we can say because of this refined engine. And we should not expect a diesel engine of all the Suzuki and Nexas, because diesel engines have been removed in the BS6 and only a petrol engines we can get. And this is complete hatchback we can say, and it's not a premium hatchback also, it's a small size XUV we can say. And S-Cross has written on the name only, we can expectations, and price is also decent enough. Mainly the Suzuki vehicles have been done because of the sales of the Suzuki vehicles of Nexa or Suzuki Maruti Suzuki, because of low maintenance of service cost, and the price of the vehicle will also be less than compared to all the vehicles. Steering is also better smooth than compared to older generation. So in two-wheel drive the RPM meter is some lacking, and nothing much difference of that. And so you get in a 5-speed or manual transmission of gearbox and 4-speed in automatic. So automatic is better, slightly better than the manual transmission, will be less use of the vehicle and more efficiency, fuel efficiency will be more in the automatic. So in the Suzuki vehicles, so view at the front is very nice and performance is very nice. So easily it is raving, and top speed is around 140 kilometers we can expect. And so overall this is a S-Cross. And so if you want to buy a Suzuki, Nexa S-Cross of vehicle, and visit the Adarsh Nexa showroom in Kukatpalli, you get the best discounts on offer. So this is a walk around and test drive video. I have impressed very lot of this vehicle. I am giving a 10 out of 8 to this vehicle, and very nice performance, pickup, mileage, liters of engine is very nice, torque is very nice, 130 Newton meters of torque, mileage is also very nice, suspension, handling, braking, everything is perfect on this car. And signing off, this is a S-Cross vehicle. So if you till not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video guys. So guys, this is a Nexa showroom near Kukatpalli. So night view is very awesome on this showroom, and discounts also very much. So let's go inside and meet the manager of the showroom and visit the Adarshi showroom near Kukatpalli. So here is a manager. Hello sir.
Hi.
So the hospitality in this showroom is very nice, and because of this COVID and the safety measurements are also very nice. And here is Prashant sir. Sir, say about your showroom.
Kukatpalli Adarsh Nexa.
Okay. So what are the discounts you providing for your customers, new customers?
Actually, discounts is there. Discounts ఉన్నాయి మనకి.
Okay.
Consumer offers, corporate offers. So better
Okay.
price market లో మనకి. Even other dealers కన్నా the best price ఇస్తాము.
Okay. So please visit Adarshi showroom near Kukatpalli. You get a best discounts on offer, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll show to them. You get a best discounts on Nexa all cars. So visit Prashant sir, and I will add a contact details in the description. And thank you sir.